What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. Today's video we'll be going over my new wheel and tire setup on our Wrangler. Before we get started with that, I did want to give a huge shout out to Atturo Tires and Black Rhino wheels. Super pumped to have them on our sponsor team. Without them, this video wouldn't be possible. The new look of our Jeep wouldn't be possible. And so far, I'm absolutely loving the products. I'm going to go ahead and link them down below. Check them out on Instagram. I'll insert their Instagram names right here. Make sure you guys drop a follow, like some posts, check out their products. They have tons of awesome products. So let's go ahead and hop out of the Jeep and I'll show you guys what we got. And there it is, everybody, our new setup. So we went with a different color this time on our wheels than we did the first time. If you guys remember, our old wheels were silver and black. They were actually simulated beadlocks, not real beadlocks. This time we went with a silver and a red ring that matches the paint exactly. The silver matches our decals on the side, the trail badges, the hardware from Route 66 mods, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. These are a set of Black Rhino beadlocks. They're actually called Rhino beadlocks. They're pretty new. The reason I went with this style is because I like the inside of the wheel, how it has a somewhat stock look, but you can definitely tell it's aftermarket. It's super clean. Disregard all the rock rash, and that, like I told you guys, I wanted to test them before I gave you guys a review on them. So there's proof that we tested them. That one back there is all screwed up on the bottom. So the paint is actually an exact paint match to the paint used to paint our Wrangler. It's from Mopar. We found them on Morris 4x4's website, I believe. Super quick ship time. I do remember that. The paint was a bit pricey. It was like $15 a can, and it was a quarter the size of your regular spray paint can. I think I used a can per ring, so 5 cans, plus I used, forget what brand exactly, but some clear coat from AutoZone to give them a little more protection. But I mean, obviously it didn't work great, especially when you run them into rocks and everything like that. I love how it turned out. I was kind of hesitant to do it at first just because it was a little bit different than what most people do, but I think it turned out great. So let's go ahead and move on to the tires. The tires are Trailblade Boss tires from Atturo Tires. This is my first time using this company's tires, and I have to say I absolutely love them and I'm impressed. They perform great on-road, possibly the best on-road tire I've ever driven or ridden in for a mud tire ever. These tires are amazing off-road, super thick tread, as you guys can see. They clear out, the mud does not stay in there at all. That's a huge problem I've had with tires in the past, is that they just cake up and basically turn into spheres and balls and stuff rolling through the mud. And the problem with that is you get zero traction. These have a fairly aggressive sidewall, which is nice when you get stuck in ruts and things like that. If you guys have noticed, the tread is actually designed to look like a knife. So this would be the blade and this would be the handle here. It wraps around the side to give you the full knife look, which is super unique for a mud tire, but I'm kind of liking it. If you guys take a look at the Jeep from the front, it is a lot wider than before. So these wheels have a different offset and back spacing than before. I did have to get a certain back spacing to clear our Traillogic steering, which is definitely worth it. There's no way I was getting rid of my steering to run different wheels, so we got the setup right. I think it looks a lot better, especially from the side. You guys can see that the back sticks out a little bit. Before it was kind of flush with the rear fender. Wasn't too much of a fan of that. I think this looks way better. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys thought about this video down below. If you guys would like to see more part reviews, more things that we do to our Jeep, things along those lines. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Thanks for your support in the last couple of videos. It's been amazing. Like I said, we'll be announcing a huge giveaway coming up for 1,000 subscribers. Can't wait to let you guys know about that one. We're just working on a couple little details, and that'll go live. So, as always, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.